Hello, my name is Ben, and today I'd like to share my thoughts on the fantastic woodworking resource known as Ted's Woodworking. Before you make a decision about purchasing this product, I have two critical alerts for you, so please pay close attention to what I'm about to share. Firstly, when considering buying Ted's Woodworking, it's essential to be cautious about the website you choose. Please make sure to purchase it only from the official website to ensure your data's safety. Avoid shady websites that might compromise your precious information. You can find the link to the official website in the video description and the first comment. Now, let me explain what Ted's Woodworking is all about and what you can expect after getting it. If you have a passion for DIY projects, especially those involving wood, then this resource is a must-have. Created by the talented Ted Woody McGrath, Ted's Woodworking provides a comprehensive collection of more than 16,000 step-by-step plans for woodworking projects. With Ted's Woodworking, you'll receive clear instructions and valuable resources that will guide you through each project, helping you avoid mistakes and confusion. This program caters to both beginners and advanced enthusiasts, so you don't need to be a pro or have an extensive array of tools and machines. You can work on these projects at your own pace, honing your skills and techniques for any woodworking endeavor. Each project plan comes with straightforward instructions, detailed cutting plans, and a materials list, ensuring you save time and resources while completing your carpentry projects efficiently. The collection of plans covers everything from simple crafts to larger, more ambitious indoor or outdoor furniture and cabinetry projects. Upon purchasing Ted's Woodworking, you'll gain quick access to a list of downloadable plans, allowing you to start building right away. Countless individuals of all ages and skill levels have successfully completed their woodworking projects with this detailed plan, and you can do it too. Check out some customer reviews with photos at the link below to see for yourself. As an added bonus, when you buy Ted's Woodworking today, you'll receive 4 exclusive bonuses that will accelerate your woodworking projects. Moreover, you'll enjoy free lifetime updates, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest resources. What's even more remarkable is that Ted's Woodworking comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If, for any reason, you don't love it, you can request a refund without any risk. Thank you for sticking with me till the end. Before I sign off, please remember to purchase Ted's Woodworking from the official website. If you decide to join the program, I hope you'll return in the future to share your exciting projects with us. Thank you, and see you soon!